Now I'm entering my room. Uh-oh. Oh. There we go. Blast of air conditioning greets me. Here is the walk-in closet and whatever that is, vestibule or something. Here's the bedroom. The chairs. Here's the view. More chairs. I have more chairs to sit on in here. Ridiculous. Then I have a little living room area. Here's the TV. Oh, I have a little snack area. Ooh, yes, more water. And finally, bathroom. The best shower I've had since I arrived in Southeast Asia. And, dun-da-da, a toilet. I mean, bathtub. This is amazing. I've never stayed in a place this nice in my entire life. This is absolutely amazing.